Meaning of headlong.
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 Headlong. Headlong is an adverb that describes a reckless or impulsive manner of movement or action. When someone acts headlong, they act without thinking about the consequences of their actions, potentially causing harm or danger to themselves or others. Such behavior is often associated with an urgent need for immediate action or a lack of caution. The result of acting headlong can vary depending on the situation, but it typically involves some level of chaos or negative outcomes. In general, it is advisable to avoid acting headlong and instead approach problems with careful consideration and thoughtfulness.